All right, today we are doing number 16 for fast math, so make sure you have that ready to go. Number 1 says, circle the one that is different. So which of these cars is different? Circle the one that's different. Number 2, how long is this carrot? Circle the correct answer. So you're going to measure it using these boxes and think, how long is it? So make sure you're measuring it. The next part, we have 8 games in this box, and then we're going to add how many more. So you're going to write the number of how many more we're adding, and how many is that total. The next part says there are 6 roses in this box. Now we're going to add this many. So write that number here. How many is that total? The next part says, Reuben had 10 baby teeth. Some fell out. There are 3 left. How many fell out? If you need to push pause to finish this page on your own, do that now. And let's get correcting. All right, number 1, circle the one that is different. This car only has 3 windows and the rest have 4. The next part, measuring the carrot. So if I draw a line right here, that tells me that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes long. All right, this has 8 games in it. We are going to add 2 more. So if I have 8 and I add 2 more, 8, 9, 10 games in all. Next part says there are 6 roses in this box. We're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 more for a total of 10 roses. Because if I have 6 and then I count on 4 more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Reuben had 10 baby teeth. Some fell out. So that means he's losing teeth, which means we are subtracting. There are 3 left. How many fell out? So the numbers we know are 10 and 3. So he started with 10. We're going to take away some. So that means we're going to put the box here again. And then our answer is going to be 3 because he has 3 left. So we want to know how many fell out. So if you have 10, and then at the end you only have 3 of them left, that means this many fell out. So let's count. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 teeth fell out. So we would say, oops, I'm going to write 7 teeth fell out. All right, that's all.